Alright guys, so we're going to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new transfer wheelchair. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. User manual for it. So as you can see, it already comes pre-assembled, so let's go and actually open it up. So the chair only weighs about 20 pounds, but the aviation-grade aluminum frame makes it sturdy enough to hold up to 220 pounds without any flexing. The frame has that matte finish that resists against scratches and gives it a sleek look whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. The Honeycomb tires do a great job at absorbing bumps, so they're solid so you don't have to worry about air pressure or flats, but still soft enough to roll smoothly through uneven ground. The front wheel swivels a 3 full 60 degrees, which makes it easy to turn in tight areas like hallways, elevators, or small rooms. The seat is padded with breathable 3D mesh and it doesn't trap heat and it feels comfortable even after long use. Alright, so let's go over some of the features on here. So it does have this seat belt right here that you are able to adjust. And then for if they want to get out, you can actually just lift these up like so. You can do that with both of them. So now they're able to, you can transport them to this side or this side, it doesn't really matter. And then right here are your brakes. So if we go ahead and put them like that, so you can see, the brakes are intact. And then just to release them, you just hit these red ones right here. And then you're able to move it again. Let's open this up. This does support up to 220 pounds, so just something to keep in mind. But overall, good quality. Like I said, it already came assembled. You literally just open it up and it was good to go. Very nice features on here. Once you're ready to lock them back in place, just go ahead and put them like that and they'll stay and the one thing that I want to show is that it does have this footrest here that you can either have it up or have it down, just depending on the preference. And then if you did want to fold it back up, go ahead and push the lever down. And then this will fold up just like that. And we can even fold up the footrest as well. So now it's back to normal. So we can put in your trunk or wherever you like. So if you guys are looking for a new transport wheelchair, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.